Hey, what's up? There's so many changes in the marketing world, and today we want to talk to you about the evolution of marketing. When it comes to marketing, honestly, it's still the same old thing. Not that much has changed besides the vehicle that we're delivering and amplifying our message. You know, back in the days we had radio. Who remembers radio? Raise your hand. It's when we're listening, you know, you turn on particular stations and different audiences listen to different music types, and that's where you're at. And you deliver your, 15-second spill about your product or services. That was radio. And then there was TV. TV, different channels, different audience. Hey, we all like to watch different things. Some people like HGTV, others like the Food Network. And what we do, we put commercials where they're at. When it comes to digital, it's the exact same thing. Where is your audience? Think about it. We have to reverse engineer the way we think and think about what channel is your particular audience in. Example, if you're a software company, you're selling a service. So what platform plays best to professionals? LinkedIn. And if you're hitting a 35 and up demographic, just everyday people, Facebook is still king because probably 85 to 90% of your audience is there. That's 30 plus. So guess what? Deliver your message to that audience. Be there. And now, if you're trying to gear up for marketing for the next generation, the future, Instagram, Snapchat, those are all great platforms. So when it comes to the evolution of marketing, nothing's changed. Think about it this way. It's kind of like dieting. How many of you work out? How many of you watch your diet? You know, there's keto, there's low carbs, there's all these different names for all these different diets. But at the end of the day, that all does the same thing. Either you gain muscle, you lose weight, or, hey, you transform your body somehow. So, and we give it different names. Even the protein shakes and different things. We just slap on a name and we market it as a new method to do things. It's the same thing in regards to marketing. Now we just put digital in front and now we got different tools. So just know your audience. So one of the key things to be successful at marketing is really just understanding what you're trying to sell or what you're trying to deliver and bring value to the right audience, and hey, your success rate goes way up. Until next time.